Hey guys, so this is how you log into your VPS before you can launch your bot. So yeah, you go to your search button in your system and you type remote computer, remote desktop. It comes out. For those that are using iPad, there's different settings for that. Where you ask me. So normally, if you buy a VPS, you get an IP. So this is the IP. This is an IP that I want to use. Then I'll connect to the IP. um when you get yours, you're not going to just pass through this page like this, because apart from the IP, you're going to put a username and a password. I have logged in before, that's why I don't need to log in again to get. But when you're doing yours for the first time, you have to log in the username and the password. Okay, so that is that. So yeah, these are MT4 of different brokers. So you're going to choose just one. You're going to start with one. So we're using 8 market cap, 8 cap metaphor, 8 market cap, 8 cap, whatever, however you might say. So yeah, to use how the MT4 is, for this class I already input a demo account that we're going to be testing with. So now what do we do? Now you minimize, you go to your EA. These are all the EAs we have. These are the OPE board, the HFT board, the SMC good board, the EU miner, the advanced HFT board, the GU miners. These are all the board, these are the GU miner files, the HFT files. These are like the advanced HFT files, all of them. So, but this is the one that I've given you guys for free. Unlimited profit multiple. You copy this one, the first one, the one that ends at EX4. EX4, you copy. Okay, once you copy it, you go back to your VPS. When you're on your VPS, you go to your files, you go to open data folder, you go to MQL4. When you go to MQL4, you open experts, then you paste. Okay, so that is it. You paste that one there. Then you minimize this whole thing. You go here, you copy the set file. This is the set file now. You copy this one. You go back to your VPS. You go to file. You go to data folder. You go to MQL4. You go to presets. This time around presets. Then you paste the set file there. Okay, so all is done here. You cancel it. You go to expert advisory. This is where your bot is going to show. As you can see, like this now, it's not showing here until you right click and refresh. Once you right click and refresh, it's going to show unlimited multiple pairs. What? So first, what you do next is that normally when you open your chat, like when you start with an MT4, you won't get this chat over here. You won't get it. I'm the one that was able to do it. So you're going to come over here and you're going to drag and drop US Euro USD, and it's going to be on 1 hour time frame. Okay, Euro USD 1 hour time frame. You carry Euro USD and drop after you've input a demo account. Now, how you can put an account on an MT4 is you go to the account, you right click. It's where they write open account. You click on it. Now you see why you're seeing this one is because of I searched for it. So if you don't, if you're using NX broker, you have to search for NX broker. You click here, add new broker. Once you click add new broker, you type the name of the broker server you're using. Then when you scan it, you're going to see different type of it. Then you choose the particular one, the particular demo account that you're using. Once you choose that demo account, you would now be you will now see where you can log in or log in an existing account, or create a new account. So you click on login on an existing account and you log in your account. You put your ID, your account ID, and the account password that you already created before now. So I already have an account logged in, so I don't want to log in another account. So that is it. So this is on the chart. So this is the EA over here. What we do, life changer EA, we'll carry it, we'll click on it, and we drag and we drop on top of the screen, on top of the chart. Okay, so we go to common, you click allow live trading, you click allow DL reports, you go to input. Now this input, you click on load files. Okay, you click on load files. Now you click on this set file here, then you click on open. So it has set the file for you. Okay, so what you would do here is that you change the take profit and the lot size. You change the take profit and the lot size. You click on take profit, you put it like, let's say 10, then stop loss, or not 10, put it on like, let's say 5, then stop loss. Now this particular strategy, the stop loss needs to be bigger than the take profit for this particular bottle. That's how it is set. It knows how to do it. So you make this one make it 20. Okay, so that's how it is. Then max street is like this, da 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 da. Every other thing is okay. You just click on okay. Once you click on okay, that is it. You start seeing this stuff over here. Um, so what you're going to do next after that, if you notice this emoji here is not really smiling. So what you're going to do after this is to what? Click on auto trading. Click on what? Auto trading. Once you click on auto trading, the emoji here starts smiling. Okay, that means now it can start taking trade for itself. Like this now the EA is active. You want to see all these things on your screen. So that's how to set up the bot that I'm going to be giving you guys. But the major thing is that you need a VPS for it to be working 247. So for those that are going to get the bot, you reach out to me for the VPS. To get your VPS, I think VPS is about $15 now, $15 to $10. But one thing about VPS is that more than one or two people can use it. So if I get a group of people, I can merge you guys together. I'm like, okay, these three people, you guys should contribute. I get one VPS for the three of you to use. You guys contribute the money. I buy one VPS for three people instead of you buying one for yourself. But when you now get the GU bot, you will need one for yourself because of, you know, it's going to be sophisticated. But let's just leave all those ones for now. So yeah, this is the Euro USD. It works on all pairs. So all you have to do is just to allow it to do its thing. You don't need to end it or choose it. Now this particular one, I would advise that you use it for a demo to test and see how bot works. The idea of me giving you people this bot is not for you guys to use it on a live account. It can be used on a live account, but that is not why I'm giving you guys. I'm giving you guys so that you guys can test it and know how see how automated trading is. So when you want to start it fully with the GU bot, with any package you want, if it's going to be the full license or the half license, you already understand how automated trading works, and you just use that GU bot and you go straight to the the main stuff. So yeah, so for the GU bot, I'm going to be showing you an example. This particular VPS is not mine; it's for one of my students. So let me just enter his trade. Okay, no, not this one. Let me enter a better one instead. So this, go here, your remote computer, click on it. So this is not the one I want to use. I want to use this one. Right. Okay, so I want to show you guys how the GU bot works. Then I'll show you guys how the HFT bot also works. I'll show you guys how the HFT bot also works. So this is another VPS on its own. Click here. Okay. So here. Okay. So like this, the what happened here? Okay, like this. So this is what the GU bot actually looks like. Okay, what the GU bot looks like. These are when you've set it. This is what it looks like. Trades and yeah, that is it. It just keeps on. It just keeps on. This is the bot. It's called Benefit EA. I've already put in the sales file. These are the trade it's taking. These are the connections it's making, and that is it. That's for what the GU bot looks like. I can tell you about the GU bot for now. Can't really tell you much, but I'll show you some other stuff. This is another of my accounts. See on the GU bot. It takes the trade and it does everything for you. You don't have to do any single thing. Then for the HFT bot, I think the HFT bot is here. Okay, this is where the HFT bot is. Comment. HFT bot is supposed to be here. Oh, this thing's not supposed to be showing here. You're supposed to be able to click on the HFT bot from there. Whatever. This is the HFT bot over here. Let me click it from here. Once that place is giving issues. No, not this one. Sorry, this is the HFT bot supposed to be here. Yeah, so this is the HFT bot. This is what it looks like. We notice the graphics here is different compared to the other one. This is when I have imputed. So I taught you guys how you can put the EA. You go to MQF4, you click on expert, and you impute it. So right now, like this, I've already passed an account. Look at the account. I've already passed an account on a pop frame. The account was actually deposit was $15,000, but we made a profit of $871. What we needed to use to pass the account was just 750, but I did up to 871. This happened in like 30 minutes. So as I'm making this video now, there is not really an account that I need to pass. So but I will record it on my phone when I'm passing an account, and I'm going to show you guys how the whole setup work. I posted some of it on my start to share on how the bot does the trade very fast. So hopefully you guys have seen it there, but I'm still going to make another video and show you guys to see how that one works. So that's how automated trading is. The major thing to take away from the whole thing is that you don't have to stress yourself that much. It takes away the stress. Even if you don't want to get it, you can be a partaker of it. You can, if you don't want to get it for yourself, maybe it's too expensive, you can buy an account. You can come to me. We work on the price. I pass the account for you. If you don't want to trade it by yourself, you can come to me. We work on a very lower price. I connect the bot to your account. If you have money, you want to just trade with the GU bot, but you don't want to get it for yourself, fine. You come to me, we work on the price, a very low price. Then you can start making money from it, from that method. If you want to get it for yourself, so that you can be adding plenty account, which makes more sense, because I have a limit to the amount of accounts that I would take. Like, it's not any money you just bring out now, except it has to reach a certain extent. Like, the money need to be big to some extent before I can say, okay, yeah, let's work with this. So there are so many packages around it. Like I've said, and I'll keep on saying, the best thing for you to do is to work with people that you don't have the money. If you don't have the money, but I don't see why. What am I saying? If you don't have the money, we have to work with people that don't have the money. We talk to them, tell them about the opportunities. You can get a lot of proof. You can show them some of these videos. These videos are there for life. You can show them some of the videos. Convince them. If they can get it, fine. You get it there also, and you also get a commission from their payments. So that is that for the whole showing of the bot setup on the system, and you're going to see the videos of the phone too, so of the setup on the phone. Now, this thing that you have set, like the stuff like this that we have set, we don't even need to come back to check for it. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. We don't need to come back to check for it. The stuff is just there. Like, when I mean it's just there, it's just there for life. Like, we don't even need to come back and check it. So if this one takes time before it chooses trade. It doesn't just pick trade anyhow. It calms down before it chooses a trade. You understand? So yeah, so that is it. You don't have to do any other thing again. Just leave it. You go about your day. In the night, you just open your phone and check to see what the market has done. So that's how it works. So yeah, I think that is all for now. Yeah, that's all for now.